We noticed that Mum was disconnecting from her friends and family. I was worried. I read the recent reports associating early dementia with hearing loss, and I knew it was time to have Mum's hearing checked. In fact, she's been putting this off for the past 10 years, as many people do. I heard about a new virtual hearing test and virtual consultation from Nexgen Hearing. It's designed to allow users to speak to a hearing professional using their computer and video camera through a secure video platform. Best of all, Mum can take this hearing screening test in the comfort and convenience of her own home. It's free, and there's never any obligation or pressure to make a purchase.
Our new online services are so easy to use. First, find a quiet room with a high-speed internet connection. Visit nexgenhearing.com and click on the free hearing test link. On this page, you can select from 3 convenient options. First, try our online hearing test to have access to a free hearing screening using your headsets or computer speakers. After you received your test results, you can select the virtual hearing consultation option. Simply fill out the form on this page, and a friendly customer care representative will contact you to schedule a consultation with one of our audiologists or hearing instrument practitioners. You can also choose to schedule a free hearing test at one of our clinics near you using the form on that page.
Hello, my name is Brenda. Can you and your mother see and hear me okay?
Yes.
Next, our friendly customer care representative will arrange to connect you to a hearing professional.
Hi, Michael and Mrs. Collins. I'm Carrie, an audiologist here at Nexgen Hearing. How can I help you today?
My mother's having a lot of hearing-related issues, especially if there's a lot of background noise or many people speaking at once.
After a brief consultation, our hearing professional may recommend a more comprehensive test at a local Nexgen clinic. This is an ideal opportunity to discuss the options that are right for you or your loved one and learn more about our new Lease to Hear program.
The best thing about the virtual test and consultation is the convenience. I've been trying to convince Mum to have a hearing test done for years.
Well, Carrie's been so patient and friendly with me. I just feel I know her already.
At Nexgen Hearing, we strive to work with your physician for better hearing care. In fact, we're the first hearing aid retailer to implement a virtual hearing consultation. To find out more, contact your local Nexgen clinic or visit us at nexgenhearing.com. Nexgen Hearing, the next generation of hearing care.